If you think that was loud, subscribe. It's loud for me. I don't know if it's loud for you. Put this on 2 times. Put this on 2 times speed, guys. Nah, bruh. What was that? What was that, mother?
Come here, Zico. What you doing? Let's look for the nail.
Nail?
Yeah, there should be a nail here.
Nail? Oh.
And then it cannot loosen. There.
Wait.
Just hold it. Hold this. Hold it. Okay.
Okay, as you see, I'm holding this wheel. Gonna like do this.
Ooh, that makes bubbles. Which one? It's not it.
Ooh, try there. Try right here.
Come on. Yeah, this is the one.
So when it's doing bubbles and you spray it at one and it's doing bubbles, that's how you know.
Okay.
This is so pouring color brown. This is our world. You see that? Right there.
Another nail?
Yeah.
Good God.
So, that over here.
Oh.
Come over here, Zico. What are you taping? What are you recording? Right here.
My bad.
I'm gonna record this one right here. Over here. Get over here. Over here. Get closer. Hold on. Yeah, look. You gotta do this. This is where the nail is. And make it. Hopefully that will do it.
Hopefully.
Good, it did work.
Yup. Dad, it already took like 7 minutes.
Hold on.
6, 7.
Hold on, Zico, don't move.
Guess what, guys? Wait. 6,
Get over here.
7.
Extra. So one get out. That's it. Alright.
We should be done now. Hello. Guess what? Chicken butt.
Hold on.
And
What are you doing? Go back.
what? Go back on that side up. Okay.
Alright. Over here.